Good morning, dear children. I am very glad to meet you in science class. In the science class, we are going to discuss about the topic plant pots and its function. See the picture. Take a notebook. Draw the picture like me. Here, see, this is the ground level. Okay, soil. This is ground. This is above the ground and below the ground. Okay. Here, normally plant has two systems. That means root system and the upper one is shoot system. Root system consists of primary roots and secondary root. Root system comes under below the soil. Shoot system above the soil level is called shoot system in plants. Okay. In shoot system, stem, leaf and flower together is called shoot system. Right? See the plant. Here root system. This one is root system, this part. Because this part comes under below the soil. The upper part of the plant is called shoot system. Shoot system consists of stem, leaves and flowers. Right? You also take your notebook and write the heading and draw the picture like me and label the parts. Right? Yes. Okay. Dear children, plant is a type of living organisms that interacts with the ecosystem. It plays an important part of the world's ecosystem by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen into the atmosphere. Let us learn the plant parts one by one, right? Yes.
Some parts of the plant are above the ground while some are below the ground. The parts of the plant above the soil that we can see is called shoot of a plant. Part of a plant below the soil that we cannot see is called the root of a plant.
We could see roots under the soil. Roots hold the plant in the soil. It brings water and nutrients from the soil to the plant. Roots are usually underground but can be above ground too. Okay. Then shoot system. First one is stem. This is called the stem. Stem hold the plant up above the ground. It carries water and nutrients throughout the plant. Stems are the delivery system of the plant. Right? Next one, leaves. Leaves are on the end of the stem of the plants. See? Leaves make their own food. So, it is called kitchen part of the plants. Leaves take carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and make their food. This process of preparing food is called photosynthesis. Right? Then flower. Flower is the colorful and attractive part of the plant. Okay. Thank you. Last one, home assignments. Okay. Filling the blanks. Colorful and attractive part in the plant is dash. Which part is very colorful and attractive? Okay. Then second one, root absorbs dash and dash from the soil. Third one, dash part of the plant is above the soil. Fourth one, the part of the plant below is called dash system. Okay. Second one, whether stay true or false. The first one, Plants release carbon dioxide. Roots prepare food for the other parts of the plant. Stem are found on the shoot system. The process of preparing food in the plant is called photosynthesis, right? Then final one, answer the following question. I'm giving 3 questions. What are the main general system in plant? Draw a root system and write its function. Then what do you mean by photosynthesis? You have to write in your fair note and draw a neat picture of a plant and make it the label. Okay, parts you have to mention in the plant picture. Okay, thank you.